right, I'm making this video for teachers who have students with audio processing issues, students who have a tough time hearing and understanding, but are better at reading instructions. If you have a classroom where you have a lot of Google Slides and you do your presentations that way, this is a great way to have closed captionings on your lectures. But if you don't do a lot of Google Slides, here's another way to use this same feature without creating slides. So I've just created a black backdrop for my slide. I'm going to go into slideshow presentation. And down here at the bottom is a menu where I can click on this menu, and this is for the slideshow presentation itself. And the thing at the I'm going to scroll up to where it says caption preferences. And under caption preferences, I have two preferences. I can change the text size or the text position. I've positioned the captions at the top since this specifically is for students to be able to see. I want it to be at the top so they can see easier. And also extra large. I can go small or extra large. Again, the whole purpose of this particular presentation is so that students can read what you're saying. So once I have this positioned at the top, extra large size, all I have to do is hit the toggle captions. As soon as I do that, you can see at the top of the screen, it will just basically hear what I'm saying and type it out. That way, your kiddos with the auto processing issues are able to read your instructions or read what you're saying, and it will help them understand you a lot better. Thanks for watching.